The street was expecting some announcements to come. So after the first announcement that came in from Silver Lake, there was a big move on the stock. Thereafter, every subsequent investment, the stock did not move as much. In fact, in most cases, saw some profit taking. How much do you think is priced in on Reliance? 2,300 odd. What's your call?
Afternoon, Mangalam. So yes, you're absolutely right. I think in terms of expectations of a big queue stacking up outside Reliance Retail and the kind of expectations that one has, General Atlantic has obviously come in, and the two other partners, which have almost accumulated around 16,000 crores into the company so far. I think the logic is pretty simple here. What they monetize, the Geo platform, I think the retail platform is getting monetized at this point of time. So the street did have a whiff in terms of a lot of investors who are expected to come in on the retail platform as well. But the dynamics, Mangalam, are going to change for the better. So if you're probably expecting Geo Mart and the entire 360-degree approach from the back end in terms of connecting to a lot of these small kirana stores, connecting them with the cold storage and expecting, I think, the kind of traction that is expected to be seen in their overall retail operations with the future deal expected to go through in the next few months, the cold storage supply chain operations thereof as well. So the synergies in terms of brick and mortar stores in tier 2, tier 3 cities, grocery being a huge presence, along with apparel, jewelry and Reliance Digital, along with the petrochemical businesses, overall for Reliance valuation. I think that does augur well from a long-term perspective as well. So I think we've recommended this stock to our clients. It's something that we still recommend to hold at this point of time.